Well, I'm trying to get one more for the day gone. I'm down here at Mo's house. Trying to get his unit cleaned out. Just give me some gloves. You know how that is. Put some gloves on here. Messing with this acid. Man. Try to get him done before the day gone, so I'll probably come back tomorrow morning and do his inside. Just trying to get the outside done today. So he may have a little air, and I'll come tomorrow and I'll do his acorn in the house. It's really stopped up bad. So try to get him done. Let me go back around here now. Get some leaves out. Yeah. Yep. All right. Oh, it's been hot today, Junior. It's been hot today. Oh, it's been hot. I didn't start my work until late on this evening, Mick. I wasn't going to get out in that heat. Yeah. All right, you chickens. Y'all need to go in on. See, we got about clean all these leaves out a little bit. Just gonna put my gloves on. Got the core pretty clean. Pretty get some of the leaves out. All right, y'all. I'm finna try to wrap it up and get this done so I can go home for this evening. Come back tomorrow and finish the inside. Y'all be safe out there.